Hello everyone, let's provide the solution to this problem very quickly. 2x plus y equals 8. Okay, so this is our equation 1, and we have equation 2, which is 3x y equals 12. Okay, this is our equation 2. But from this equation 2, we can reduce this equation as we divide both sides by 3. So we have xy to be equal to 12 divided by 3 will be 4. So this equation 2, it is the same as this equation. In fact, we can still call this our equation 2. Now the next thing is to go back to equation 1, which is 2x plus y equals 8, and make y the subject. If y becomes the subject, then we have y to be equal to 8 minus 2x. Now we call this our equation 3. Now the next thing is to put this equation 3 into equation 2, and that is xy equals 4. So xy equals 4 becomes x into y is 8 minus 2x, right? Then this is equal to 4. So what we will do at this point is to open this bracket so that x times 8 is 8x, x times 2x will be 2x squared, and this is equal to 4. But then write this first so that the one with the highest power will appear first. Or better still, let's reduce this equation by dividing both sides, or dividing all through by 2. We are doing this because 2 is a common factor to all of them. 2 will go here, 4, so we have 4x. 2 will go there, and we'll have minus x squared. And 2 will go there, we have 2. Now, we're going to write this first. Minus x squared, then plus 4x. This comes here, becomes minus 2, and everything is equal to 0. What do I do? To remove this negative, you multiply all through by -1. That will give us positive x squared, giving us negative 4x, and then leaving us with plus 2. This is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation, and we will solve it using the formula method. The formula is, okay, just ask yourself, can you remember the formula? Okay, if you can't, here is the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This is called quadratic general formula. Now our a is 1, that is the coefficient of x squared. B is minus 4, and c is 2, which is this. Now put this value of ABC into the formula so that x will be equal to, in place of minus b, I'll have minus 4, then plus or minus b squared will be minus 4 in brackets squared, minus 4 times a is 1. Okay, a is 1, then c is 2. So I write 2 over there. Then we'll divide that through by 2 times 1. Now x from here is equal to negative is positive. Then divide plus or minus. We have minus 4 squared is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 2, that will be 8. Then we divide all through by 2. Let's take a step ahead. Okay, so to take a step, we have x to be equal to 4 plus or minus. Then 16 minus 8 is 8. Then we divide this by 2. What we'll do now is to break this 8, or to simplify this root 8. So hold on. X will now be 4 plus or minus square root of 4 times 2. Okay, 8 is 4 times 2, then we divide by 2. Now, x from here is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2 root 2 over 2, right? At this point, we factorize, or better still, try to divide, so that x will be equal to 2 will go here 2 times, plus or minus the same 2 will go there, and we have root 2. Okay, so this means that our x is equal to 2 plus root 2, or 2 minus root 2. So we have the two values of x. But then we are trying to get the value of x and y. To get x and y, we go back to our equation 3, and it is y equals 8 minus 2x. If we can recall that, now that we have x as this and this, substitute. So y will now be equal to 8 minus 2 into bracket x is 2 plus root 2. Okay, once I'm through with this, I'll pick the other value of x. Y now is equal to 8. Then open the bracket as you allow minus 2 to multiply everything. Minus 2 times 2 will be plus, okay, that will be minus 4. Then minus 2 times root 2, that will be minus 2 root 2. So that y from here becomes, this minus this is 4, minus 2 root 2. Please do not be tempted to say 4 minus 2 root 2. You now take 2 from 4. That is wrong. So this is where you stop. What are we saying? We are saying that x equals 2 plus root 2, and y equals 4 minus 2 root 2. Okay. Now, to get the other values, we'll go back to the second value of x, which is 2 minus root 2. So our equation still remains y equals 8 minus 2x, right? Okay, so y now will be equal to 8 minus 2 into bracket 2 minus root 2. Okay, so let's open the bracket so that y is equal to 8 minus this times this will give us 4. Then this times this will give us plus 2 root 2, because negative is positive. Now from here, y is equal to this minus this is 4 plus 2 root 2. So here we have another value of y. So this is also to say that when x is equal to 2 minus root 2, y equals 4 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so at this, we have solved this problem completely. Thank you for watching, and always share to your friends for more beautiful videos like this.